Hello and welcome guys again to our channel. My name is Yonan from LY Shows. Here in this channel we provide videos like tech and tech related problems, and also we review apps. So if you are interested on those things, stick around by subscribe. So today's video is about how to make any song with your ringtone. I will show you with iPhone and with Android. First we will do it on the iPhone. Let's start.
It's just me and you.
So now, if you have song, you can skip this part. But if you don't have any song, just go to your Google, type the song you want, then go here. On my previous video, I showed how to download YouTube video for free. You can go watch that video. So now you can just scroll down, then touch audio because it's for ringtone. Then you can just choose. I already downloaded, so you can just go to the next step. So now you have to download first through YouTube. Just scroll down here, click download. All the links used in this video will be down in the description box below. So now just wait it a little bit until it finished, then we'll go and open it. Now click on it, then yes, then plug your iPhone there. So as you see, it finished loading everything. So now click here, make ringtone. So here you have three ways to input the video or the audio you need, from the PC or from the iDevice, or you can just drag it here. For now, let's use from PC. Go downloads. We need this one, so click it, open. You can just edit it here. You can just do anything you want. But for this video, as you can see here, it's the original ringtone. I cannot bring normal song because it will be copyrighted. So for this video, it will be normal song, normal ringtone. So after you finish this, just go here. Also, you can just choose your volume here. Just generate ringtone. It will generate the ringtone. After that, now you can name it whatever you want, but for now, let's just name it normal ringtone. Click import to your iDevice. Boom, just like that, we just created a ringtone. Click OK, and now we will jump to the iPhone. Now we are on the iPhone. Click settings, go to your sound, go to ringtone. Now as you see right over here, we can see the ringtone we just created. You can click that and the ringtone will be set. So now let's jump to the Android. So now we are on the Android. Go to your Play Store and search Ringingtone Maker. Then here, this one, click this one and install it. So let it download and we'll continue. So now it's finished. So now click open. Then you'll find every music you have here. Click here. You can find anything here. You can even download free music here. But for example, if I want this, the first one, I want to edit it, I'll scroll to the right like this. But I want to make it a ringtone, so click this, make a default ringtone. All of this, go back, click it, make a default ringtone, and just like that, you did it. Go to the settings to check. So here, click ringtone. Then as you see, you can find it here. But if you want to change it, go back. Then if I want this one right here, click it, make a default ringtone, go back to your settings to check, then click ringtone, and as you see, it's changed. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, comment down below if you have any question or suggestion, and all the links on this video will be down in the description box below. So until next time, peace out.